Introducing ShadCN UI, the radical, game-changing framework that solves everything you hate about traditional UI libraries like Bootstrap or Material UI. And trust me, you're going to want to know about this one.
If you've ever used popular frameworks, you know the pain-bloated project files, thousands of lines of CSS you don't need, and endless tweaks just to make something as simple as a button fit your design. Today, we're diving into how ShadCN/UI is completely different, leaner, faster, and way more customizable. And I'll show you a quick React example to prove it. Let's get started.
Here's what using Material UI looks like. First, you install the entire library. Tons of CSS, components, and scripts, even though you might only use a few of them. This looks simple, right? But behind the scenes, Material UI pulls in thousands of lines of CSS and JavaScript, even if all you need is a basic button. Now, imagine the customization pain, overriding styles, injecting custom themes. It's a lot of overhead. But with ShadCN UI, things work very differently. You're not importing a massive library. There are 0 pre-built components and 0 CSS classes included up front. This gives you full control over every element from day one. See the difference? Instead of pulling in a full library, ShadCN gives you only what you need, allowing you to build your UI component from scratch with just a few lines of code. The result? No bloat, no hidden CSS you have to override. Total control. And look at the impact on your project. Traditional frameworks can add unnecessary weight to your files. With ShadCN, you only import the pieces that matter, resulting in faster, lighter applications.
But here's the best part. By avoiding built-in components, ShadCN lets you design exactly what you want, without any restrictions. No more fighting against predefined styles, no more bloated code bases, just pure, efficient, custom UI.
In short, ShadCN solves the biggest issues we've had with older frameworks. No classes, no bloat, just a streamlined way to build modern, flexible UIs without the headache.
So if you're tired of heavy frameworks and endless customization, it's time to give ShadCN/UI a try. Hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use this revolutionary framework to level up your web development game.
See you in the next one.